I come home and there was Dr. Cymraeg or something, a load of followers on Twitter, and he said, my missus is just seen the bootlegger in the shop saying, Diolch yn fawr, what a legend.
I think it's quite good to talk about the Welsh language, because when we last met properly, we were filming something in Welsh. Neither of us are fluent Welsh speakers.
No.
We're both learners, technically. I think now, more than ever, speaking Welsh is cool. When I was in school, it was not cool.
You know what?
Now, it's cool.
When I was in St. Joseph, you were at St. Joseph's, weren't you? Me as a parent, me and Claire have both said we were going to try and take the Welsh language on board, and it's great because we've got places somewhere like the Saith Seren here that are taking Wales, predominantly Wales, and promoting everything Welsh.
Yeah.